that opposite this chapel is the DNA Learning Center, Nigeria. DNA Learning Center, Nigeria represents, again, the future of Africa. Here, scientists are being trained, scientists who will shape the face of Africa. As we move in there, you will understand what I mean. It is the first of its kind in Africa, and we will have it here in Godfrey Okoye University. The DNA Learning Center is under our erudite professor of biotechnology, Professor George Ude. He's one, and is assisted by a great scholar of our university, Mr. Michael Okoro, and a team of young scholars. This center has trained a good number of secondary school students in basic barcoding, DNA sequencing, and has continued to train Nigerians in the same direction. Now we're getting involved into forensics. It will be possible to use this center to catch criminals in Enugu. With proper forensic analysis of criminal scenes and settings, you'll be able to know who is responsible for which level of crime. Also, establishing paternity in case of litigation and all quarrels about who is the father of the child and all that, this center can provide that. The state government will be partnering with this center of our university to make the use of science in solving a lot of problems possible. You do know that Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State, he has actually vowed to make Enugu the center of excellence in many areas of life. And that's precisely what this center represents. As we move in, you can come and see the kind of facilities you have here. The DNA Learning Center laboratory. Here, DNA sequencing, DNA barcoding, and every imaginable thing is happening. You are trained in actually using modern biology to solve a lot of problems. And it's linked to Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory in New York, United States of America. A good number of scholars are doing their PhD here, doing their research and PhD in this place. And we will continue to train young people because we want to have a generation of young Africans who are abreast of the latest in biological sciences, in modern technology, in stem cell business and all that. So you can see how beautiful the ambience is. Scholars use the laboratories, and when they want to recreate, they come out to this place. When they want to have the group discussions, they come to this place. These are the offices. Let's see the other part. So once they finish the sequencing in the lab there, they come here to use the laptops to do the analysis. This is where the analysis takes place. I talked about Michael Okoro, and he's here to talk a bit about what is happening in this place.
So this is the bioinformatics lab. This is where we do computational analysis of the results from the wet lab that the Vice Chancellor has just spoken to you about. Here we are hooked up to the server in Cold Spring Harbor Lab, and then we are collaborating with what we call the iPlan Collaborative Platform, where we can do all things eye information, interactive, microbiome, metabarcoding, DNA barcoding, phylogenetic analysis, DNA annotation, sequencing, next-gen sequencing, Illumina, and all kinds of analysis that we do here. So basically what we do here is to have, currently we have the high-speed internet Starlink powering here, and then we're able to do live lectures, and sometime in July here, we're going to be having the nanopore training from Oxford Nanopore in collaboration with DNLs in New York, and then also we're also going to be having a training on biocoding, where we are teaching people now how to code in biology. We call it Jupyter coding, and we're going to be introducing R for biology here too. So this is where we normally hide out the laptops because of dust.
Look at where they do some of the experiments, and their code room also for storing the reagents. You can look at this thing. This is minus 20 degrees Celsius because some reagents must be stored under this temperature. And some PhD students work here. It's the standard we have, the standard we have in good labs in the world. You can see a lot of material for serious research and work and all that.